Hey, so yesterday I unboxed the Google Pixel 6a, Google's latest, most affordable Pixel of the 6 series lineup, equipped with Google's Tensor chip, the same chip found in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Out of the box, I have to say the Pixel 6a performs quite well, with no issues, stutter, or lag in my use so far. Setting up the fingerprint scanner is quite reminiscent of that of the 6 and 6 Pro. For me, in use throughout the day, the fingerprint scanner has consistently unlocked without issues. As I know many have been reporting issues, however, this is a non issue from my personal use thus far. I haven't been able to unlock it using other fingerprints that have not been registered with the device, and I have not had any issues as far as stutter or lag with it consistently reading my fingerprint to unlock the device smoothly. It's been a very smooth experience, even with a tempered glass screen protector applied. You can see here it's easily and consistently unlocking as needed. Now, in terms of the display is bright, and while only 60 Hz, it is still fast and fluid. Quite honestly, you're not going to notice the 60 Hz unless you're comparing the device side by side with other 120 Hz or even 90 Hz devices. In normal everyday use for most acquiring the 6A, you'll find the display is bright, smooth, and is perfectly fine for a display in this price range. Now, battery on the 6A so far is impressive. After a full day of quite heavy usage yesterday, I'm seeing about 7 hours of screen on time, which is impressive as devices that cost much more than this 6A will fail to provide 5 hours or more in some cases. While not equipped with wireless charging though, it does charge rather quickly via USB-C. It would have been nice though, especially considering other devices in this price range or less have wireless charging, but again, corners have to be cut somewhere to land at these price points, like the price point of the Pixel 6a here. Now, the Pixel 6a's cameras right out of the box are, well, excellent. A true Pixel experience when it comes to photos, especially considering the Pixel 6a is using the same camera sensors from Pixels of the past. Here are a few sample photos from the 6a so far. Let me know your thoughts, of course, in the comments down below. So, gaming, consuming media like YouTube, Netflix, Disney, etc., is all an immersive experience on the Pixel 6a. The speakers, even coming from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, are quite good. The speakers don't get super loud, but the sound produced from the 6a is crystal clear. I have not yet experienced my Pixel 6a overheating, as many may have noted, but also I'm still putting it through its paces, so really time will tell. So stay tuned for the full review as I continue to use the Pixel 6a as my daily device. So, who is the Google Pixel 6a for? Well, the Google Pixel 6a, again, is the most affordable device in the Pixel lineup. So if you're upgrading from a much older Pixel like a Pixel 2, Pixel 3, then yeah, the 6a makes a lot of sense. Now, if you still have a Pixel 4 or 4 XL or 4a device and you still really prefer that build, especially with the 4a having the fingerprint reader on the back of the device, I know some people prefer that as it's more ergonomically friendly, and some people, again, still prefer those lighter, thinner builds of those previous Pixel devices. You're going to still have a similar camera experience on those devices. You're still going to have a similar charging experience on those devices. You're going to have a pretty similar experience, I think, in general, still holding on to those devices for maybe another year. Now, maybe Pixel 7 Pro is the upgrade for those using a Pixel 4 and up, but I think the 6A is definitely a great device if you have a much older Pixel and you're looking to upgrade. I also think the 6A is an awesome entry into the Android ecosystem if you're maybe moving from iOS, or maybe you're using another Android device and looking to venture into a Pixel experience device, then the 6A is a really solid price point to dive in. Let me know your thoughts though on the Pixel 6A in the comments down below, and what your thoughts are as far as the pricing, the build, and the reviews you've seen so far. I'm pretty interested to hear your comments on the Pixel 6A, so let's have that conversation in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.